right? Because I showed you earlier the alt season index chart, right? If we go here, this is just beginning, right? Right now it's an alt month, but alt season, we're not pushing 100 yet, right? Because we're not back in August levels where anything was just pumping, doing a 10x like that, right? Right now we're still at 57, right? So I think we have like probably one good month left of a real alt season, because it's gonna, like here, this went from July 27th to actually probably less than a month to August 16th. And then boom, it dropped. And guess what? After Thanksgiving, it bounced back. Well, I would say, let's say actually beginning of the year, right? End of the year, it bounced back, right? So right now we're in Feb. So actually, I would say we have this month to really make this money, right? Because some alt season can come and go real fast, right? Because long term, yes, we're in a bullish crypto market, but there are cycles, there are mini cycles inside the bull run, because the bull run is not just a straight arrow going up, right? It goes up, down, up, down. But this is the strategy, right? If anything you take away from this live stream or any live stream we've covered, if you just do this is the bread and butter. Where people go wrong, right, and get wrecked, they put more than 5% of their portfolio into one coin, right? Somebody gets greedy and puts in half of the portfolio, for example, into opium, a benchmark. Unless it's something bad happens and it does not pan out, right? That's one way people get wrecked. That's why I say don't put more than 5% into any coin. Even the coins are solid, you're spreading that risk around. That's how you play altcoins in a managed way and don't get wrecked, right? Where you don't have to quit crypto and go find a day job, right? Or if you're trying to find a day job, if you're trying to quit your day job, that's how you do it, right? So one, don't put more than 5% into any one coin, no matter how good it is, unless, okay, I would say maybe 10%, but for a reason, right? Kind of like with opium, the staking and the APY and all that, right? But opium wasn't under 10 million market cap, right? I balanced that 10% risk by having a market cap that was 10 times more, right? 100 million market cap, right? Which is a safer play, right? If it was 10 million, I would have done 5%. But the fact that it was a higher market cap, I could kind of put in more money, if that makes sense, right? And the next thing, some people, let's say they find a good project and they put in 5-10%, the liquidity matters, right? When you're getting in, you have to make sure you can get out, because in crypto, you have to understand this. Crypto can flip on a dime on you real quick, right? And the best example was Black Thursday. Literally, I went to sleep, and I sleep late. I went to sleep at like 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and I sleep with my phone because it's crypto, right? Telegram, alerts, all that. I wake up. It was like 10, 11, maybe noon, right? So somewhere like late morning, literally the whole market in less than 12 hours had dropped 30 to 40%. You went from singing Moon Lambos to waking up, block flow is down 40%. That can happen in crypto, right? So when the music stops, the SWAT team is breaking up the party. So that's why you want to manage that risk by getting into good projects that even if that happens, right? Because sometimes you can't predict it, right? We can try to mitigate it, but we cannot prevent it. So I guarantee you, it doesn't matter how long you're in crypto, doesn't matter how well your research is, one day you wake up and the market is down 40%. And one of the projects you're in is illiquid, right? But if you follow my tips and you make sure, okay, you're only getting into projects with good liquidity, you won't be so wrecked, right? You might still be able to take some profits, right? But that's the strategy. I know I've been rambling a lot. Let me check the comments and see how we're doing. What's up, IG? Okay, what do you guys think? Hope that was helpful. Yeah, all right. Well, I think it's time for us to wrap that up. This is live. We're going live. Thank you, everybody. If you enjoyed that, be sure to smash the like buttons and subscribe This is free content we're giving out. We always want to make sure we're giving out free content to our audience, because if you're willing to put in the work, we'll give you the blueprint, right? And if you want even more resources, then you can always join our platform, tokenmetrics.com, right? And if you like this, I mean, imagine if we have this as a daily show on Token Metrics TV. I think it will be well received, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Definitely spread the love, spread this live stream with your friends, with your family, show them the blueprint. And if anybody's curious about how I would turn 50 grand to 6 million real quick in DeFi, that's a strategy, right?
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.